Assalamualaikum student. My today's topic is nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the process by which any living organism get their food from their surrounding or they prepare their food by self for performing various metabolic activities as well as for gaining energy to perform the function of the life. The substance that any organism prepare or they get from their surrounding is termed as nutrients, which is utilized for the formation of energy as well as various metabolic activities of the living organism that are necessary for their survival. So, the definition of the nutrition is the process by which the organism obtain energy to maintain the function of life, to build the matter and maintain their structures. While the definition of the nutrient is, nutrients are food or any substance which supplies element and energy to the living body for its metabolic activities. On the basis of mode of nutrition, we have divided the organism into two groups. One is the autotrophs, another one is the heterotrophs. Autotrophs. Autotrophs are those living organisms that prepare their food by self in the presence of sunlight by the help of various raw materials, that is carbon dioxide and water. When carbon dioxide and water combine with each other in the presence of sunlight, they prepare their food that is termed as carbohydrate. The examples of autotrophs are all plants, algae and bacteria. By the process of photosynthesis, by which autotrophs prepare their food from the raw materials, that is carbon dioxide and water, in the result of which glucose and oxygen is formed. These glucose are utilized for the various metabolic activities of the living organism like plants, algae and some bacteria. As well as these carbohydrate is also provided to the other living organism for their survival or to maintain their life. Next group is heterotroph. Heterotroph are those living organisms that get their food from the surrounding or by getting autotrophs or other heterotrophs for getting energy and for the survival of their life. The nutrients that are prepared by the autotroph are carbohydrate, while various nutrients that are required for the survival of living organisms are carbohydrate, protein, lipid, as well as vitamins, minerals and water. These are the basic nutrients that are necessary for the survival of various metabolic activity, for the performing various metabolic activities of the living organism. If any nutrients is deficient, then there is various abnormalities caused within the living organism. On the basis of mode of heterotrophic nutrition, we have divided the heterotrophs into various classes. One is the Holozoic. What is Holozoic type of nutrition? Holozoic type of nutrition is the nutrition in which any living organism get their food from the surrounding, either it is autotrophs or some other animal, and they get energy. Then absorb it for performing various metabolic activities or getting energy. Saprophytic nutrition is the nutrition in which any organism feed on decaying material and decompose it and then utilize it for their survival. Example of saprophytic mode of nutrition is bacteria and fungi that mostly live on the dead organic material and decompose it and utilize it for their life. Parasite. Parasitic mode of nutrition are those type of nutrition in which any living organism depend on other living organism as well as they cause harm to them. Like Tenosodium, which normally termed as tapeworm, Fasciola hepatica, liver fluid, as well as roundworm. You know that the name of the roundworm is Ascaris lumbricoides, that is present in the intestine and cause various severity in the living organism as well as they get digested food from their intestine. The organism that depend on the living organism is termed as parasites, while the organism on which any parasite depend is termed as host. One more mode of autotrophic nutrition is dendritivorous. Dendritivorous are that type of nutrition in which any living organism depend on the organic fragments like arthra that feed on the detritivores and then utilize it for the survival. Another mode of nutrition is predators. Predators are those living organisms that prey and then get their food and utilize it for their survival. Herbivores. Herbivores are those living organisms that get their food from eating autotrophs, like some plants, vegetables and fruits. The organism that get their energy and get various type of nutrients by eating autotrophs and like plants, vegetables and fruits are termed as herbivores. Example is cow. Other examples are goat, sheep and hen. These all are the examples of herbivores. Carnivores. Carnivores are those living organisms that depend on other animals. Means they get their food by eating other fleshes or meat of the other living organism, in the result of which they can survive or they can get their energy from the other living organism. Examples are dog, lion and tiger. These are the examples of carnivores. Omnivores. Omnivores are those living organisms, they depends on both type of nutrients. One is they get their nutrients from autotroph as well as other heterotrophs like man. We are considered in the omnivorous mode of nutrition. Another type of nutrition is filter feeder. Filter feeder is the type of nutrition in which any organism obtain their food from the suspended materials. The materials that are present in the liquid is termed as filter feeder. There are three types of filter feeder. One is the fluid filter feeder, microphage filter feeders and macrophage feeders. Fluid feeders. Fluid feeders are those living organisms, they obtain their food in the form of liquid, like mosquito. Macrophage feeders are those feeders that live in the water and get microorganism or capture microorganism from the water current, and then it survive and get nutrients from that. Example of the macrophage feeders is sponges or various type of nettles. While macrophage feeders are those feeders that get their food from the large animals that are suspended in the water, like fishes. I hope you got an idea about nutrition, nutrients and various mode of nutrition that the organisms adopted for their survival. In the next lecture, we will study about the holozoic mode of nutrition in detail, because it is the mode of nutrition that is present in man.